The all-around quality of welds is just better from what we were doing previously. There's less cleanup time, there's less spatter to grind, they just look better overall.
My name is Brad Bates. I'm Vice President of Operations. Here at Wiley Metal Fabricating, we are a family and owned and operated business since 1982. We have previously invested in our laser and press brake technology and are investing to upgrade our weld technology. We had some aging systems that we were looking to upgrade, and that's why we reached out to OTC.
When we started talking about replacing the old Lincoln welders we had, it was inconsistencies in training people from one machine to another since they weren't all exactly the same.
A lot of issues we were having with our old robots were they were breaking down. We've had issues with certain material specs and our kind of tooling with the systems. With the new robots, they're more susceptible to run for longer periods of time, and they've been able to overcome some of the challenges we've had. They've definitely helped with our quality going up as far as better quality welds throughout our entire runs, and we've been able to produce products a lot faster.
The benefits of the OTCs have saved us in gas costs, reduced consumables, and just all around better quality of welds. Now that we have the OTCs, the learning curve is way down. It's a lot faster. It just produces overall better welds and keeps things consistent in the weld shop.
What I would say about OTC DAIHEN is that they are very friendly to the customers and are very helpful with any issues that we've had. And Modern Machinery with Zach Swain, they have all been big help with getting our product going and all of our systems, including our hand welders. So it's been a great experience with them.